List 14, 6, 7, 8. This is the hex video. So here's a review of your roots. This video is about hex, which means 6 and is a Latin root. So your words for this root are hexagon, hexapod, hexagram, hexameter, hexahedron, and hexachord. So your first word is hexagon, and this is a two-dimensional figure that has 6 angles and 6 sides. So if you think about our last list, we had pentagon, which was a 5-sided figure with 5 angles. Hexagon, we just changed the root, and we have a 6-sided figure and 6 angles. So in the box beside hexagon, I want you to do your best to draw a hexagon. Your next word is hexapod, and this is a 6-legged robot. So in this picture, you can see this robot has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. So this is a hexapod, a six-legged robot. Next is a hexagram, okay? And this is a figure formed of 6 straight lines. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagram, or a figure that has been formed by 6 straight lines. This figure over here has a hexagram on the inside of it. So these lines on the outside, this is, I guess, a hexagram and a hexagon. Oh, for your homework, you need to go ahead and draw a hexagram in the box. Next is a hexameter. This is a line of verse consisting of 6 metrical feet. So this probably is really confusing. This is talking about poetry. So in like ancient Greece and in a lot of old literature, they wrote in verse or poetry, kind of thinking about songs. And so it would be really important to think about the rhythm and how many syllables and all of that when you're writing. So a hexameter is a line of verse that consists of 6 metrical feet. Next is a hexahedron. This is a solid figure with 6 plane faces. So if you think of a cube or a dice, okay, that's a hexahedron. It's a solid figure and has 6 plane or flat faces. So think about a dice. There's 6 numbers on it, so there are 6 plane faces or 6 sides. So for hexahedron, I want you to do your best to draw a picture that represents a hexahedron, or a solid figure with 6 plane faces. And your last one is hexachord, and this is a musical 6-note series. So a hexachord here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6-note series. Now, there are things about half steps and whole steps and all that. So this is a middle C, D flat, E, F, G sharp, and an A. This is a musical 6-note series, which is a hexachord.